of 1990 batch. I have attended all the functions of the Silver Jubilee, and I can say categorically it's one of the best functions, and for sure it has got the maximum number of teacher participation, and it's only because of the special personal effort the batch has done, gone through the teachers, personally requested them. Mrs. Arora has summed it up for them. Fantastic effort. Just a small, I'll just take one more minute for you, from you. We've had
we have honored the support staff, but equally important are the teachers who are not here with us physically. They are with us in mind, spirit and blessings. These are the teachers who have an equal contribution to whatever we are today. It is unfortunate for us, but I guess it is God's way.
The value of hard work, good judgment, courage and integrity. Wonder if we ever thanked you? If we have forgotten to show our gratitude enough for all the things you did, we are thanking you now. And we are hoping you knew all along how much you meant to us. You taught our hands to write and the difference between wrong and right. हमें ज्ञान दीप प्रज्वलित करने के लिए जिन्होंने जमीन आसमान एक कर डाला, उस एक प्रश्न के उत्तर के लिए जिन्होंने किताब का हर पृष्ठ पलट डाला, ऐसे कर्मनिष्ठ अध्यापकों का हम सदा सम्मान करते हैं, हाथ जोड़कर शीश झुकाकर उन्हें प्रणाम करते हैं।
Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, or more particularly Partho sir, honed his talent. Music has been his soothing experience. It has seen him through a lot many challenges in life. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sharad Srivastav, co-founder of
Before we start, I just want to say one thing, that this is a very truly blessed moment for all of us. Seeing Dr. Chaya sir after ages, I never thought that I'll get to play in front of you all. And the Silver Jubilee function has made it happen. And I want to say that this concert is also very special because this is my first duet with my son today. So I had to bring him, and Leo and Raghav, they study in modern school Vasant Vihar, and they're always playing together. So I was like, why get a tabla player, senior tabla player, why can't we get Leo? So thank you, Leo, for coming. Thank you. And we start with Rag Hansudhani. Sir, aapki aajya. Ma'am. recorded this song, I just thought of one person who's not there with me anymore. And I would like to dedicate this song to my dear friend, my comrade, my pal, Sandeep Chaturvedi. Thank you.
forward and felicitate. Can we have the lights? Ma'am, the boys have been waiting for this. We have Anita Sood, ma'am. I would request all of you to settle down. Otherwise, I'll all of you are requested to be seated, please.
Bhavanites batch of 1990. Hip hip! Hooray! Jabbar. Good. Right. Now, my pass cut off. No, okay, good. We are going to start remembering some of those friends of ours जिनका शायद धरती पर क्लास वर्क जल्दी खत्म हो गया था हमसे, जो शायद भगवान को ज्यादा प्यारे थे, हमारा साथ यहाँ पर छोड़कर चले गए. But we all know, we all believe in the deepest of our hearts that they are with us, smiling down on us. We miss you, Yaru. We miss you, dear friends. Atul. Atul Arula, can we have the AV on, please? And the lights off. The back lights off, please. Stage lights to remain on. The center screen as well.
नदी से छुड़ाकर हाथ कहाँ तुम चले गए. बचपन में थे साथ, जवानी भी लम्हा लम्हा सरक गई, और इस अल्हड़ से छोड़ पर कहाँ तुम चले गए. चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश, जाने वो कौन सा देश जहाँ तुम चले गए. हाय दिल में रह गई बात, जल्दी से छुड़ाकर हाथ कहाँ तुम चले गए. बचपन में थे साथ, जवानी भी लम्हा लम्हा सरक गई, और इस अल्हड़ से छोड़ पर कहाँ तुम चले गए. आज लड़ने का हो मन तो कैसे लड़े हम, शोर मचाने का हो पल तो कहाँ से खोजे तुम्हें हम. चलो माफ किया, क्योंकि पता है देख रहे हो तुम्हें दोस्त, मुस्कुरा रहे हो और छेड़ रहे हो ऐ दोस्त. इतनी दूर हो.
Karuna Malhotra, Radha Priya, we all remember. Sanjeev Anand, Sandeep Chaturvedi.
Life to Dr. Shahzad, ma'am, and to all my batchmates here. I guess as we draw curtains on the evening, it's, as somebody would say, it's just the beginning of a journey. So let's begin this and let's see to it that whatever we have done and whatever we have been able to come and connect with each other of us, we pursue and we do help each other out in this
presentation of the batch this year, and I think they deserve a loud applause for it is not only the presentation but the feelings behind it. I think I am very proud, and so are my other colleagues here, of presenting such kind of human beings to the world. A good round of applause for them. I think you have done us proud and spelled out, and it is your humanity, your human quotient is speaking volumes about you all. And you have touched upon everything which is required in a good human being. I am proud of you. And I think that is what all my friends also say, that every one of us in this gathering, and even our colleagues, our departed souls, you see, the kind of reverence you have given to them, I think I am now, of course, 60 plus. I have never seen a function like this. I am going home, I think, much stronger. students we have sent to the world who are doing
and travel far, the bow has to stretch and bend. We would like to thank all our and Pragati as well, because she'll kill me if I don't take her name.
The thought that Manish had left with you and carried forward a little more. Manish said that we should continue and concretize whatever can come forward. And I think this is the right occasion, and I'm inspired to say, in the presence of Dr. Chaya, there are a few things I think we have to leave for the posterity. In our own individual form, we keep doing, but together, collectively, I think something more needs to be done. And I have a few suggestions. Manish has already stated about one, that is about the fund. Okay, yeah. Because the Bhavanites Association, when I came here
To hold fort back in Australia, might. But a dear